Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your iPad is updated to iOS 14 or newer and Bluetooth is on, because compatibility matters. Charge the controller to at least 20% to avoid mid-pairing dropouts. This prevents frustrating reconnect loops. Next, find the sync button on a Pro controller or the small rail button on Joy-Con. Once these are set, you're ready to put the controller into pairing mode. This is the first actionable step toward a wireless connection. Now put the controller into Bluetooth pairing. Press and hold the sync button for about 3 seconds until the LED starts flashing. This broadcasts the device. On your iPad, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and watch the list. Devices appear in real time so you can spot the controller name. Tap the controller entry to pair. You'll see a brief connecting status, then Connected. This step links the hardware and software, allowing games and apps to read inputs directly from the controller. Finish by testing inputs. Open a controller-compatible game or the iPad's controller settings to confirm buttons, sticks, and triggers respond correctly. If it fails to connect, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reboot the iPad and controller. This clears transient glitches. Should problems persist, reset the controller by holding the sync button longer, roughly 15 seconds, then repeat pairing. This often clears pairing records and fixes conflicts. Make sure to recheck firmware and battery level if issues continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.